First of all, my sincere thanks to all the channel partners who have turned up today to grace this occasion. I'm also very thankful to the press who was present in amazing way. We just finished a press conference. It's a great milestone for Kobelco in India. Ladies and gentlemen, this day marks a new era in Kobelco, India. Why I say this? Because it's a major step in Kobelco, India's last 17 years towards localization and make in India with the Japanese technology. From 45-50% of localization, with this product, we have moved to 70% plus. With a Japanese engine manufactured in India, we take our localization to the next level. That is why it's important for Kobelco. That's why I call it a milestone. This is not only a milestone for Kobelco, this is also a milestone for our dealers. Why I say this? Because if dealers have to be viable, they need products to offer to customers, solutions to customers. So by introducing 810, Kobelco also completes the entire cycle and enables our dealers to look for opportunities in the market to capture more customers. This will first enable our dealers to satisfy Kobelco customers, existing customers, with another range. Otherwise, they would have gone to market for the 810. So we are preventing our customers going for market with this introduction. Second, they have a good product to tell 810 customers who are non-Kobelco customers to upgrade to Kobelco. Also, they can look at big challenges of the country, that is mechanization and machines that can be utilized in every corner. They have a solution now with the 810. It is not only a milestone for Kobelco, it is not only a milestone for our dealer, this is also a milestone for a major stakeholder in business, our customers. Now today, the customer can proudly say, I can buy all the range from Kobelco. We are providing complete solution in Excavator to our customers. That is very key for both of us, both Kobelco and our dealer. So we would like to look at the market very closely with this enabler and go strong into the market with a go-to-market strategy along with our dealers so that we can maximize our solution providing. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.